Ba Ronnie willing do balong MLA ba noyalam jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Committee ha kasngi balang arajar posau ula keno ba ka ain Citizenship Amendment Act arajar khat khandai kadai tang ka Buit Saiñ Pyrthei jong ka BJP ka bala wanra e ka rule jong ka ne ka ain shwa ban wan ka election Lok Sabha knang ban se aliang ye kinong shong snong jong kari ha ka teng khaniam ha ka jing kren bar kilat pathai ku bor ba Ronnie ula penrem jori kene ka jingle jong ka BJP pat ong ru ba ki pai ba kari bar kawai kidai ban persya jori kene ka Buit jong ka BJP.
You just see the CA. It's petty politics of the BJP. Just before the elections they brought this to divide people on religious lines, which we condemn, which we will oppose, and we request the people of India, the people of the state to vote for party that stand for secularism, people that will protect the constitution, people that will ensure that democracy is maintained. We will feel more reassured if that is part and parcel of the rules in the CA. Just by mere making statement, I don't think we can be so reassured that it will not be implemented. Let us see in the rules that they frame that 6 scheduled areas are exempted, then we will believe.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.